Welcome back. Today we're tackling fatty liver disease, a silent condition that can lead to serious health issues if ignored. The good news? Your diet can be a powerful weapon. I'll show you 8 superfoods that help heal and protect your liver, backed by science and easy to add to your meals. Ready to take control of your liver health? Let's dive in. Let's kick things off with some of the most powerful foods for your liver: leafy greens like spinach, kale, and arugula. These vibrant vegetables aren't just a colorful addition to your plate, they're nutritional powerhouses that can transform your liver health. Leafy greens are packed with essential nutrients like nitrates, polyphenols, and chlorophyll. These compounds work together to help your liver in several ways. Nitrates improve blood flow, polyphenols act as antioxidants, and chlorophyll binds to toxins, helping to flush them out of your system. This means they not only prevent fat from building up in your liver, but also help neutralize and remove harmful substances before they can do any damage. Kale, in particular, contains special compounds called glucosinolates. When you eat kale, these glucosinolates activate detoxifying enzymes in your liver, making it easier for your body to process and eliminate toxins. Spinach, on the other hand, is rich in glutathione, a master antioxidant that plays a crucial role in protecting your liver cells from damage and supporting their repair. Don't limit yourself to just salads. Leafy greens are incredibly versatile. Toss a handful into your morning smoothie for a nutrient boost, stir them into scrambled eggs for a savory breakfast, or sauté them with garlic and olive oil for a delicious side dish. The more creative you get, the easier it is to make greens a regular part of your meals. The key is consistency. Aim to include leafy greens in your diet every single day. Whether you're prepping meals for the week or grabbing a quick snack, having greens on hand makes it simple to support your liver health. Think of leafy greens as your liver's best friend. They help detoxify, reduce fat buildup, and keep your liver functioning at its best. Over time, this can lead to better energy, improved digestion, and even clearer skin. Even just a handful a day can make a noticeable difference. It doesn't take much to start seeing benefits. Just a small serving added to your routine can help your liver work more efficiently. For the best results, try mixing different types of greens. Each variety offers its own unique blend of nutrients and antioxidants, so combining them maximizes the health benefits for your liver and your whole body. Make leafy greens a daily habit, and your liver will thank you with better health, more energy, and a greater sense of well-being. Start today and give your liver the ultimate detox support it deserves. Fatty fish like salmon, sardines, and mackerel are packed with omega-3s, fats that actually fight liver inflammation. These fish are not only delicious, but also incredibly beneficial for your health. Omega-3 fatty acids are essential nutrients that our bodies need, but cannot produce on their own. By incorporating these fish into your diet, you're giving your body a powerful tool to combat inflammation naturally. Omega-3s reduce inflammatory molecules, lower liver fat, and improve liver enzyme levels. This means that they help in reducing the risk of liver diseases and promote overall liver health. Regular consumption of omega-3 rich foods can lead to noticeable improvements in your blood test results, showing healthier liver enzyme levels. This is crucial for maintaining a healthy liver function and preventing long-term damage. They also boost insulin sensitivity, breaking the cycle of fat buildup. This is particularly important for those at risk of developing insulin resistance, a condition that can lead to type 2 diabetes. By enhancing insulin sensitivity, omega-3s help your body manage blood sugar levels more effectively, reducing the risk of metabolic disorders. Aim for 2 servings of fatty fish per week, grilled, baked, or steamed. These cooking methods preserve the nutritional value of the fish while adding delicious flavors to your meals. Whether you prefer a simple grilled salmon or a herb-infused baked mackerel, incorporating these dishes into your weekly meal plan can make a significant difference in your health. Not a fish fan? Consider a quality fish oil supplement, but check with your doctor first. Supplements can be a convenient alternative for those who don't enjoy eating fish. However, it's important to choose high-quality products and consult with a healthcare professional to ensure they fit your dietary needs and health goals. Omega-3s help your liver cells function better and manage fat more efficiently. This means that your liver can process and eliminate toxins more effectively, leading to improved overall health. A healthy liver is essential for maintaining energy levels, supporting digestion, and ensuring your body functions optimally. They're a must-have for anyone serious about liver health. Including omega-3s in your diet is a proactive step towards preventing liver-related issues and enhancing your well-being. Sharing these meals with family and friends can also encourage healthier eating habits for everyone. Remember, not all fats are equal. These are the good guys. Omega-3s are considered healthy fats, unlike trans fats and saturated fats, which can be harmful in excess. By choosing omega-3 rich foods, you're making a smart choice for your heart and liver health. Make them a regular part of your routine. Planning your meals ahead and incorporating fish into your diet can help you stay on track with your health goals. Shopping for fresh fish and preparing meals at home ensures you know exactly what you're consuming. Your liver will feel the difference. With regular intake of omega-3s, you'll likely notice an improvement in your energy levels and overall well-being. A healthy liver contributes to a healthier, more active lifestyle, allowing you to enjoy life to the fullest. Nuts, especially walnuts and almonds, are a simple snack with big liver benefits. Walnuts provide plant-based omega-3s and arginine, supporting detox pathways. Almonds are rich in vitamin E, a powerful antioxidant that shields liver cells from damage. Clinical trials show nuts can reduce liver fat, inflammation, and even scarring. A small handful a day, raw and unsalted, is all you need. Sprinkle them on salads, yogurt, or eat them plain. They're calorie-dense, so watch your portions. Nuts are a tasty, convenient way to protect your liver. Add them to your daily routine for a crunchy health boost. Extra virgin olive oil is a Mediterranean staple and a liver health superstar. Its monounsaturated fats and polyphenols, like oleocanthal, reduce inflammation and liver fat. Studies show regular olive oil use lowers NAFLD risk and improves liver enzymes. Choose high-quality, cold-pressed EVOO for maximum benefits. Use it for low-heat cooking or as a finishing oil on salads and veggies. Just 1 to 2 tablespoons a day is enough. Swap out butter or processed oils for EVOO. It's a simple change with a big impact on your liver. Green tea is more than just a soothing drink to enjoy in the morning or after a long day. It's a centuries-old beverage celebrated for its remarkable health benefits, especially when it comes to supporting your liver. What makes green tea so special? It's loaded with powerful antioxidants called catechins, and among them, epigallocatechin gallate, or EGCG, stands out as a true superstar for liver health. These natural compounds work at a cellular level to protect your liver from damage and help it function at its best. EGCG not only helps reduce the absorption and production of fat in the liver, but it also actively fights oxidative stress, which is a major contributor to liver inflammation and disease. By neutralizing harmful free radicals, green tea helps keep your liver cells healthy and resilient. Multiple scientific studies have shown that regular green tea consumption can lower elevated liver enzymes, a key marker of liver stress, and may even help reverse early signs of fatty liver disease. It's a simple, natural way to give your liver the support it needs. For the best results, aim to brew 2 to 3 cups of green tea each day using high-quality loose leaves or convenient tea bags. This routine can easily fit into your daily schedule, whether you prefer your tea in the morning, afternoon, or evening. Be sure to skip the sugary bottled versions you find at the store. These are often loaded with added sugars and lack the potent antioxidants found in freshly brewed tea. To maximize the antioxidant content, steep your green tea for 3 to 5 minutes. This allows the catechins to fully infuse into the water, giving you the most benefit in every sip. Enjoy your green tea hot for a comforting ritual, or pour it over ice with a slice of lemon for a refreshing twist. Just remember to avoid adding sugar or artificial sweeteners, as these can counteract the health benefits. Making green tea a daily ritual is a gentle, effective way to support your liver's natural detoxification processes. Over time, this simple habit can contribute to better energy, improved digestion, and overall wellness. So, whether you're starting your day or winding down, reach for a cup of green tea. It's an easy, delicious, and time-honored way to show your liver some love and keep your body feeling its best. Garlic isn't just for flavor, it's a liver-boosting powerhouse. Its sulfur compounds, like allicin, activate detox enzymes and help flush out toxins. Garlic also supports weight management, reducing strain on your liver. It's anti-inflammatory and antioxidant, protecting liver cells from damage. For the most benefit, crush or chop fresh garlic and let it sit before cooking. Add a clove or two to stir-fries, soups, or dressings daily. Small amounts go a long way for liver health. Make garlic a kitchen staple for natural detox. Your liver will love the boost. Avocados are creamy, delicious, and packed with liver-friendly nutrients. Their monounsaturated fats lower bad cholesterol and triglycerides, reducing liver fat. Avocados are rich in glutathione, the antioxidant your liver needs for detox. They're also loaded with fiber, which binds toxins and supports gut health, crucial for your liver. Studies show avocados directly protect liver cells from damage. Add slices to toast, salads, or smoothies, or make guacamole. Even a quarter to half an avocado a day can help. It's a tasty way to nourish your liver and stay full. Berries, blueberries, cranberries, raspberries, strawberries are antioxidant powerhouses for your liver. Their anthocyanins and polyphenols shield liver cells from oxidative stress and inflammation. Blueberries boost your liver's own defense enzymes, while cranberries reduce liver damage markers. The fiber in berries helps control blood sugar and fat storage in the liver. Enjoy a cup of fresh or frozen berries daily, on oatmeal, yogurt, or as a snack. Frozen berries are just as nutritious as fresh. They're a sweet, easy way to protect your liver. Make berries a regular treat for maximum antioxidant power. Your liver will thank you for the extra defense. There you have it, 8 superfoods to help your liver heal and thrive. Add leafy greens, fatty fish, nuts, olive oil, green tea, garlic, avocados, and berries to your meals for real results. Consistency is key. Small daily changes add up to big improvements. Your liver is resilient. Give it the nutrients it needs to recover. Start today. Your next meal is a chance to make a difference. If you found this helpful, like, comment, and subscribe for more health tips. Stay healthy and see you next time.